Hello PMs. I will talk about some of the tips and tricks for clearing PMP certification. These help me clearing the certification at first attempt. So I am hopeful that you will also find this useful. So what is PMP? You might have already heard a lot about PMP if you are working as a project manager. So as you know, it is the gold standard of project management. There are many benefits of getting this certification. As a PM, it will surely help you to do the job more efficiently. And the employers recognize this certification, so it will help you in your career path. Let's now look at how to start the preparation for the certification. Before starting anything, first thing you need to do is ensuring that you meet the prerequisites for the exam. So please visit the PMI site to verify this. Once you are confident that you meet the prerequisites, then you should start filling the application. Please note that it may take much more time than you are expecting. And also, it will be a good idea to first create an Excel sheet with all the project details. This will make filing the application much easier. Please use the following checklist when filling the application. Please start the exam booking process once your application is approved by the PMI. Trust me, if you wait to finish the studies to book the exam, then it is going to take a long time. That is the nature of our work. Each one of us will have a different speed and style when approaching the studies. In general, it may take 1 to 2 months to comfortably finish all the materials I am going to suggest here. So please keep that in mind when you are booking the exam date. But of course, worst case scenario, you can always reschedule the exam. You may also have an option to take the exam online, considering the current restrictions due to COVID-19. If you choose this option, then please ensure that you have a room where you can take the exam without any distractions. Open rooms like halls may not be allowed. You will also need a high-speed broadband and a laptop with internal mic and speaker. I would recommend using a personal laptop, as corporate laptops firewalls may be problematic. Once the above points are completed, make a study plan. You will have to spend at least 5 to 8 hours a week to finish the materials. So please incorporate that in the study plan. The main book suggested for PMB is the PMBOK Guide. I'm also sharing a link where you will be able to find free materials related to this. But another book I could not recommend enough for the PMB exam preparation is Rita's PMB exam preparation. You may not find this in the recommended list of books by your employers, but it is a must read. Content of this book is very exam oriented, so which will help you to score better in the exam. Creating a study plan which suit your style and time is essential for the success. As I mentioned before, you should be ideally reading these books at least 2 times before the exam. So please create a study plan which will give you sufficient time to do that. I would recommend for all the chapters you are studying, try to follow the below approach. Write down all the input and output list. Write down all tools and techniques introduced. There will be many questions related to this. Then write down all the key terms introduced and any new formulas introduced. And then whenever you are going through a chapter, go through all the current and the previous notes. And once you finish a chapter, review the notes and take a practice quiz if it is available. Remember, just knowing the answers will not be enough for clearing the exam. Most of the questions will have more than one correct answer. So you should be able to select which is the most correct one in that situation. So please keep it in mind. Always read all the options before answering. Chances are that the first correct answer you see may not be the right one in that context. I will list here some of the free resources and the mock exams which will help you to be 100% prepared for the PMP exam. The first one will give you around 100 questions and very detailed answers for that. And the second link here, there are more than 2,500 questions and answers. So please ensure that you have sufficient time set aside for this. And then the remaining one, the third one, There are actually a collection of questions from different areas. And the next one again, there are around 120 sample questions. And the last one here has around 100 free questions. You must target to consistently get more than 85% in the mock exams. So please take as many times as you need to reach that target. Hope these pointers will help you in clearing the PMP exam. Please leave your comments or questions and I will try to answer them. Thank you.